it was just, we had painted it once. We built it about 18 years ago, and we painted it already one time. And really, it was needing it again. And when I got to thinking about it, and Kevin, our son, had told us, we decided to go with Energy Guard because not only did they do a good job for him, but we wouldn't have to paint it no more. And that was a big plus.
And then the windows, our windows, they wasn't draining, and they were, for no older than the house was, we had to replace some of the boards on it already, and they was going to have to replace them again because the dirt, dust would settle in there, and the drains wouldn't drain like they're supposed to, and so we just decided to go with the windows then too while we was going with the siding and do the whole thing. Then plus we got the 3-pane, went with the 3-pane gas-filled windows, thinking maybe it would help our utility bills.
Excellent. Totally excellent. I made them cookies one day because they just did a super duper job. Always asking if it was okay, cleaned up their messes. I don't know what else to say.
Well, the comments we've had on it especially is probably the most.
Yes. And when we drive up to this home now, it's like another brand new home. Everybody loves it, and I love the color. It matches our shop. I just love it. I don't know what else to add or say. It's just great. I'd highly recommend Energy Guard to anybody. They just did a super job.
I'd give them an A double plus.